back for this online session. In the previous class, we have discussed about. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about. The application of the cube. So, one application, okay, in your syllabus, they are mentioned as railroad car rearrangement. What is the problem statement of this? The problem discussion and solution strategy is it holds the tracks lies between the input and output track. These tracks operates in P4 manner. The moving car from holding track to the input track or from output track to the holding track is forbidden. So it should be done only from input track to the output track, only one direction. Reverse is not possible. All the car's motion is in one direction, is the direction indicated by arrowhead. So then we reserve the tracks. So that's what HK is a holding tracks where K equals to 3 for moving the cars directly from input track to the output track. So we keep 3 holding tracks in this problem statement. So holding tracks, nothing but your cues. So okay, look at the diagram. This is how your railroad car rearrangement problem looks like. So I have an input track. This is my input track. This is my output track. These are all my holding tracks. So I need to keep your first car output. So how to keep your first car to be output? Look at these cars. Cars are arranged in a random way. It is not in a sequence. So first car number 5 is there in the queue. First car number 3 is there in the queue. Next car number 6 is there in the queue. Next car number 9 is there. Next car number 2 is there. Next car number 4, 7. Next one is there. After that car number 8 and car number 5 is there. First I need to take the car number 1 to the output track. So before car number 1, I have a 6 cars standing in a queue. Okay, what to do? What I should do? I should take these cars, should wait in holding tracks. I have to keep this, okay, cars should wait in holding tracks. Next, I have to take, so I have to keep all 6 cars before the car number 1 should be waiting holding tracks. Next, I have to take this car number 1 to the output. Like this. Next, car number 2 to the output. Next, car number 3. Next, car number 4. Car number 5. Car number 6. Car number 7. Car number 8. Car number 9. So this is how you have to take the cars from the input track to the output track by using the holding tracks. Here your holding tracks are nothing but your cues. This is one application of your railroad car rearrangement. We'll see in detail. So what are the first car to be output? Look at this. This is my last car in this, and this is my first car in this input track. So I hope you're clear. So car number 3 is the first car, and car number 5 is the last car. So which is my input track? This is my input track. And all your holding tracks are what? Nothing but your cues. So H1, H3 and H2 are the cues, holding tracks, nothing but cues. So back is your, and look at the orange color, this is my front. So I will need to, okay, which is the first car to be output? Into the output from the input track to the output track, that is car number 1. But I will take this car number 3. I have to keep this car number 3 into the holding track, I think. So I'm going to push this car number 3 into the holding track H1. I did the push operation. Next, still my car number, car to be output is what? 1. I have to keep all these cars into the holding tracks. Next, next car to be output is what? Next car to be taken, take it from input track is what? Car number 6. I'm going to push this car number 6 into the holding track H1 next to the car number 3. Next, I take this car number 9. Car number 9 into the holding track H1. I'm going to push this. I do the push operation. So I take this car number 9. I do the push operation into the car number, holding track H1. I do the push operation. Now holding track H1 is full. Holding track H1 is full. What we do? I use the other holding track, either H2 or H3. So next, I take this car number 2 from the input track. I'm going to push this into holding track H3. I did the push operation, right? Next, again, I take this car number 4. I take this car number 4 from the input track. I do push operation into this car number, holding track H3. I push this car number 4 into holding track H3. I put this car number 4 after car number 2 in the holding track H3. Next, car number 7. I take this car number 7 from the input track. I push this into holding track H3 next to the car number 4. Next, which is my car to be output? First car to be output to the output track is what? Now I got the turn of car number 1. What I do? I don't push this car number 1 into the holding track. I'm directly taking this car number 1 to the output track. Right? Next car to be output is what? 1. So car 1 is moved directly from input track to the output track. So next car to be output is what? 2. Where is my car number 2 is sitting? Car number 2 is sitting in H3. Car number 2 is sitting in H3. So what I do? I can do pop operation from this car. Okay, pop operation with respect to which queue? That is H3. I did the pop operation. I did the pop operation from H3 and I'm putting this in output track next to car number 1. Next, which car to be next car to be output is what? Car number 3. Where is my car number 3? Car number 3 is sitting in holding track H1. It is first person in the holding track H1. What we do? I do pop operation with respect to holding track H1. Then I'm putting in output track. Next car to be output is what? Car number 4. So I have to take this car number 4. It is sitting in what? Holding track S3. It is the first person in the holding track S3. What we do? So I do the pop operation. I do the pop operation and I'm going to push it in output track. So next car to be output is what? 5. But still it is in holding track. Before 5, car number 8 is there. What I do? I take this car number 8. I'm going to push into H2. Why use push? We are pushing only in H2. Why can't be H3 and H1? Because I cannot shift all the elements towards top. Then I cannot push. It's a costlier process. That's what I use one extra holding track. So that is S2. Now I'm going to push this car number 8 into holding track S2. So which is the next car to be output? Car number 5. What we do? I'm going to push this. Okay, directly take this car number 5 into output track. That is 5. So this car number next car to be output is what? 5. Moving car number 5 from input track to the output track directly without placing in holding track. Next car to be output is what? 6. Where is my car number 6? In holding track H1. I do push operation. Okay, pop operation from this holding track H1 and I'm going to place this car number 6 into output track. Right? Next car to be output is what? 7. It is sitting in what? Holding track H3. So what I do? So I take this car number 7 from holding track H3. I do the pop operation. Then I'm going to keep it in output track. Next car to be output is what? Car number 8. Where is my car number 8? Car number 8 is sitting in what? Holding track H2. So what we do? First I do pop operation. So then I insert the output track. Next car to be output is what? Car number 9. It is sitting in what? Holding track H1. So I take this car number 1. I do pop operation. Then placing it in output track. This is how the railroad car rearrangement problem works. Now this is how we've taken all the cars from input track to the output track with the help of holding tracks. Here the holding tracks acts as what? Queues. Here holding tracks acts as what? Queues. So this is how we can able to push all the cars which are standing in an input track in a random way. So then we can able to take it out in the sequential order using holding. So this is what the railroad car rearrangement problem using queue. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.